My name is Anelisa, my surname is Qashani. I'm going to talk about my dream. My dream. A dream is a vision and a purpose that you want to achieve in life. In these days, in our communities, we are treated with disrespect and with no dignity, whereby everyone has no respect over the other person and can say what they want to say and answer with the attitude that they want to answer. And also they do not care how other people can feel, because other people can feel hurt or offended. I dream of a community that will live in harmony and also treated equally, whereby everyone is treated the same. Because in these days, people are undermining each other on what they have or the things that they are currently doing. E.g. at work, people are undermining each other about the skills, and also people are going about the status of a person, what he or she does, what he or she currently working at, what skill does he or she has, and also what image does he or she has. People are going with those things in order to undermine in these days. The SA highlights aspects of society in inequality, racism, and gender violence. The main wish is that people may understand what Rainbow Nation means, whereby people are not going about the color of a skin, and where people are treated with respect and dignity, not because they have to, but not because they have to, but because we want all people to work for better prosperous, more dynamic, more innovative, more compassionate, and just a society together. As a woman, I have a dream that we should not be afraid for our lives, but live in an environment that will feel safe and secure, also protected. I wish to see everyone to be treated the same, so that we can work together and make a change in the community that can influence the whole country. That is my dream, to be treated equally and live in harmony with pure heart and have better prosperity. Thank you.